Hello, and welcome back to another How To Guru. If you are still boiling your rice in a massive pot of water and draining it like pasta, stop right now. You are washing away all the flavor and aroma. Today, I am going to show you the absorption method. This is how you get perfectly fluffy, separate grains of basmati rice every single time. Step 1 is the wash. This is non-negotiable. Place 1 cup of high-quality basmati rice into a bowl and cover it with cold water. Swirl it around with your fingers. See that cloudy, milky water? That is excess starch. That starch is what makes your rice sticky and gummy. Rinse and repeat this process at least 3 or 4 times until the water runs completely clear. Step 2. The ratio. The golden rule for basmati is 1 cup of rice to 1.5 cups of water. Tip your washed, drained rice into a saucepan that has a tight-fitting lid. Add your cold water and a generous pinch of salt. If you want to be fancy, you can add a cardamom pod or a clove here, but it is not essential. Step 3. The boil and the simmer. Place the pan on a high heat and bring it to a rolling boil. As soon as it boils, and I mean the second it boils, turn the heat down to the absolute lowest setting on your hob. Pop the lid on tight. Now, set a timer for 12 minutes. Do not lift the lid. Do not stir it. Do not even look at it. You need the steam to remain trapped inside to cook the grains evenly. Step 4. The steam. When the timer goes off, turn the heat off completely. But wait, do not open the lid yet. Let the pot sit on the warm hob for another 5 minutes. This allows the moisture to redistribute, ensuring the rice is dry and fluffy, not wet. Finally, the moment of truth. Lift the lid. Take a fork and gently fluff the rice. You will see long, separate, beautiful grains that smell incredible. Serve this alongside your favorite curry or stew, and you will never go back to the boil and drain method again. If you found this guide helpful, please do hit that subscribe button for more kitchen mastery and life hacks. Enjoy your meal.